Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Inkem and I'm here with another hair tutorial for you guys. And this one, we're testing this style, okay? Because I saw this style on TikTok and I decided to try that, okay? And for this hairstyle, you just need your braid extension and you also need a crochet hook. It's more like a feeding braid. For those who cannot do like the normal feeding braid, this one is a better option if you cannot do the normal feeding braid. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do this hairstyle and just everything you need to know about this hairstyle. So definitely you want to keep on watching, and while you're watching guys, do not forget subscribe to my channel, okay? If you've not done that already, please subscribe and turn on your post notifications so you get notified each time there's a new video on my channel. And please give this video a huge thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. So right now I'm just going to I'm just braiding her hair here, and after braiding her hair I'm going to grab my braid extension already cut and then stretch it, but you can use a pre-stretch, okay? Already did all that. And I'm just going to take my crochet hook and then start crocheting the braid extension to the cornrow which I've already made before. Okay, so that's what I'm just doing here. For this first one, I actually left some hair at the front that I'm going to start the feeding braid with, but I'm going to show you guys another way you can do it, like without bringing out any hair at all at the front. So you just want to keep on watching and see how I did the next one, okay? And I also tried my hands on stitch braids, like you guys are just going to see. Like I said before, this is all testing, okay? And the outcome you guys also see. So just keep on watching and please share this video. After fixing the braid extension to the cornrows, the next thing is to braid it down. And I'm going to show you guys a smaller one, like this is big. I'm going to show you guys how I do the next one.
I need a scarecrow after what you did, 'cause all of the birds know that I'm almost dead. I'm barely breathing, I'm barely awake. You left me in pieces, there's no more to break. Don't wake me up, not in this century. Don't wake me up, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. You're just a ghost, you're never there. You're just a memory on my lips, 'cause you're just a ghost inside my head. just a ghost inside my head.
Sitting lonely in my room again, trying to find the words to say, but nothing comes out. I am looking.
So yeah guys, this is the final look and this is what this hairstyle looks like. And like I said before, this is just me testing what I saw on TikTok. Okay, hope you guys find this video helpful. Please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.